Hello guys, welcome to another video on Cassy World YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to learn about 5 high potential cryptocurrencies you can invest in 2022. If you're still struggling to make money or you are just a beginner at making money online, make sure you join my free webinar as I give you the step-by-step guide to get started and make consistent passive income online. The link to join this free webinar is in the description box below. Click on it to join for free. And a quick advice, make sure you watch this video to the end to get the most value out of it. Let's start with today's video without wasting too much of your time. In the past few years especially, cryptocurrencies have become one of the best and highest quality ways to invest. There has been a huge increase in the number of people using cryptocurrencies all over the world, but the demand has been the highest in developing countries like India, where small investors use cryptocurrencies to trade and make extra money or a living. Well, why not? Many people have become millionaires because they put their trust in cryptocurrencies and use them to trade and invest to make money. You can make money in many ways with crypto. Some people choose to trade digital currencies to make quick money, while others want to invest and keep them for the long term. We will tell you about 5 cryptocurrencies that can make you rich this year, no matter what kind of crypto investor you are. 1. Libra coin. Did you know that Libra was one of the cryptocurrencies that grew the fastest last year? Even though the Libra coin is a new cryptocurrency, it is very valuable and in high demand on the market. This is because it is backed by the Libra ecosystem, a blockchain-based ecosystem with a lot of value and potential. This year, more people are likely to use Libra as a way to simplify e-commerce and make digital payments easy and affordable for everyone. 2. Bitcoin. This one needs no introduction. Bitcoin is a legendary coin, and you can now buy it for less than half of what it was at its all-time high. Yes, you did hear correctly. There are people I know who bought Bitcoin for more than 60,000 US dollars. So this is a great chance for anyone to buy the token for almost half of what it normally costs. So why don't you just do it? So why don't you just do it? 3. Ethereum. The Ethereum blockchain's native token also doesn't need any introduction. Ethereum was the first blockchain to have smart contracts and make it possible for dApps to be made. It is also the blockchain that makes NFTs, which are very popular. So Ethereum is one of the best tokens to invest in right now. Now that the price of the coin is less than average, you should buy it before it's too late. 4. Tether. Tether, also known as USDT, is a stable coin that was made so people could use it instead of Bitcoin, which is more risky. The price of one Tether coin is always the same as the price of $1 US. So you can buy this coin and store it as a way to protect your investment in coins with high volatility, like Bitcoin and Ethereum. Also, most exchanges use USDT to trade with other cryptocurrencies, so it is easy to find an exchange to buy or sell USDT. And the last one, that is number 5, Doge. Doge was made as a joke, but now it is one of the best coins on the CoinMarketCap website. No one knows why, but the price of a coin is going up, and many people who have put money into it have made millions. Do invest in Doge if you want to get rich and are willing to take some risk. but don't forget to only invest what you can afford to lose. So now, have fun making money. Thanks for watching my video to this end. I hope you apply the tips in this video. You must take action to get results. And the secret to generating income online is in my free webinar. Make sure you join to learn all the techniques the gurus use to make consistent passive income online. It's available worldwide and beginner friendly. Just click on the link below this video in the description to join the webinar and learn these secret tricks. And don't forget to like this video. Leave below all your feedback and suggestions. And if you are new to this channel, don't forget to also subscribe and turn on the notification bell to receive alerts anytime I drop one of my awesome videos. Make sure you watch the other videos on your screen right now. See you in the next video.